Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Quick update of today London session, almost 5 o'clock p.m. London time, 10 minute 2. Just a quickly look at the market at the moment. As we talked about yesterday, I see that S&P 500 touched the 3,000 mark, 3K, and kind of like struggling to continue today. In my opinion, I think that we're going to close down as I talked about it yesterday. No, we didn't really close the day yet. We're gonna close in a few hours. We're still Chicago's still open for a business, so I'm assuming I think we're gonna go down from this level at least one more pull back to that trend line. Then we will try one more time up. If the economy start to come back to normal, then maybe my expectation will be up momentum. But the first test of the 3,000 mark, probably gonna see some pullback. So watch out for this pullback. Could be a good opportunity to continue this bull trend. So moving on quickly. Gold here. Gold obviously is doing down now, is moving down, so that's a good thing. The momentum is coming back down here, but don't forget this is a nice support level here. A lot of players waiting for this momentum. If S&P 500 indeed coming back down before for a pullback, the 20 moving average on the gold, it will be a good play. So watch out for any wick rejection today to go back and close above this low. That will be a failure to break lower. That would be a good indication to continue back up. That I'm looking at the daily, by the way, guys. Guys, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and like and leave a comment. Ask me questions, and I'll be happy to answer any question you want to ask. Looking at Bitcoin, you see that Bitcoin is kind of stalled here for now. But what we was talking about major move, let's see that it's going to actually continue back down here or not. But so far, looks like it's down momentum, moving with gold, correlated with gold, but not for long. Let's see. We'll be looking for as an example here. I would like to see some wicks like this one here. Probably it doesn't show yet. There's no volatility in the market to push it up. So one of the key is if you wish for a wick like this one, that will be indicating that momentum is going to be even equal to the closest target. Like here, didn't follow up well, come back down, and as you can see here, kind of like breakout, come back again. So we actually below this breakout area level here, and we even at the bottom of this triangle previous one. So let's see what's happening here. Probably going to be similar, and we'll be watching for breakout confirmation, and we continue down or breakout higher, continuation, break higher. That could be the play. Just stay tuned for this. Oil, you can see all that at the 50% stalled. How many days so far? We have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days so far. Full week trading working days. We stuck at the 50%. My expectation is if I'm an investor, but if I'm investing tons of money on this market, I will be not putting buy here. So we'll be waiting for at least 20 moving average, then I will take it further. Then I will see if the economy actually going back to normal. Everyone will be demanding petrol and so on and so forth. So as you know, the industry will back to business. Dollar index, you see that coming back down nicely. What we're looking for now, we're looking for a major move. I'm looking for equal. This major move will be equal this major move. So around these levels, there will be a good indication for possibly break out and continue down, or we come back again to retest the highs. Sideways, 1, 2, 3 opportunities here, plus others reversal to about maybe 3. So stay tuned for that. Next is Euro USD. You see that Euro USD is taking the other side of dollar index. So it's very interesting to see that what's going to happen here. We broke higher before, we'll come back 50% and come back up 100% again. We'll try and retest. So this is an interesting pattern. I would like to see some movement volatility to the break higher. So I'm looking for a major move, probably around here. It's going to be a rough ride if things go as planned. Then it's going to be straight away up since the dollar index actually want to go down. Unless Euro have some positive news in the coming days to push it up more than dollar index. Pound, see that pound coming back strong as I talked about it yesterday. My expectation is we'll be looking for a major move. This will be equal to this one. So far I can tell you this major move is actually going to be big. The reason being is Tuesday, you see that momentum is really strong and green, and dollar is weak as well as regard cable. Pound itself is start showing some momentum up because of economy coming back in business. That's a good indication. we had this bounce up more than 50% from the breakout, and we start to stall here. I don't think that is going to go down again for now. But my expectation is we'll come back at least to the 25%, 25 mark. Then from there, we'll see whether or not we'll break higher, or we'll just make a three tops here, 1, 2, 3. Then probably we'll come back down 50%. Then maybe we will see the swing high to continue 1, 2, 3. Okay, moving on. Sorry. The pound yen, same. As you can see, that pound is strong. If yen is weak, because there isn't been the risk on in the market, so risk is on. So that's why yen is taking the downside for now. For now, but we're not sure yet whether or not S&P 500 will continue its momentum. I think we're gonna see this today spike, and probably the next working hours of today, because that's Chicago, is gonna open at 7 p.m. No, 6 p.m. New York time. 10 11 p.m. London time. So that will be interesting to see whether or not we're going to open with a gap down or not. That will be determined from here as well. You can notice that we break that previous high, that's previous swing. That's the anchor, the previous anchor. We did 50% coming back strong, and we broke above it. Well, we're looking for low time frame rotation, and we'll continue back up. But watch out for this trend line, whether or not we're going to stall here or here. Not today, of course, it's going to be tomorrow. So you need to put a line here, see whether or not how far between this level and whenever you enter the trade. Probably your stop loss is going to be below here, and if that keep going the following day, you move your stop loss just around here, the below the following day. Okay. Moving on quickly. Aussie, you see that pound Aussie, even if it's euro, sorry, even if it's S&P 500 going up, and Aussie looks interesting, but the reason, look, if you look that pound getting strong, and we kind of holding here for now. That could be a failure to break high to the 20 moving average, at least to the 20 moving average. They will be testing this. Probably going to do another leg down, then we'll start to break higher. If indeed S&P 500 will do another long-term pullback down. Okay, Aussie, sorry, New Zealand as well. Pound New Zealand looks like similar, but pounds start getting some strength. So wait for more confirmation if you want to trade these bears. What we're looking for on the bigger picture, we're looking for another pullback at least 50%. So that can play many days before we just touch it very quickly. Volatility will start picking up, break above, and we will test it. Probably will pull back again, and so on and so forth. So stay tuned with that as well. Oh, let me get this. Sorry. That is a pound CAD. You see pound CAD as well, showing the momentum is holding here because oil is involved, as I talked earlier. So we're looking for oil rejection of the 50%, moving to 20 moving average, and that will reflect here by going a little bit from this last breakout, and we'll see whether or not we have a major move of this to be down momentum. If it's not, probably going to see more momentum up above the 50 moving 50% or 55% or 61%. You will see the candles are big, the candles are juicy, full of money, and that's when you know the momentum is strong. Is not only a small pullback. Okay, Swiss. No, that's not Swiss here. Okay, guys, thanks very much for being here. So if you new to the channel, please subscribe and like, and leave me a comment. And I'm looking forward to leave my review tomorrow. Thanks, guys. Take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.